So then the third view, control. The first field in control view, BP type, business partner type. You can use the business partners type to group business partners according to your own criteria in customizing. In customizing, you can show or hide fields for data entry depending on the requirements of the relevant business partner type. Procedure, select a business partner type. You can obtain help by pressing the F4 key. So the next field, authorization group. You can use authorization groups to stipulate which business partners user is allowed to process. Note, use the following authorization object: business partners authorization groups, B under BUPA under GRP. The system only checks this authorization if you made an entry in the authorization group field for the business partner. Otherwise, any user may process the business partner. The next field, print format. So attributes that determines the format for printing, correspondence with a business partner. Usage, the values you choose using the input help are used in subsequent processes. You can choose how the data should be printed or sent. So the next field, trading partner number. In SAP, separate entities under the same parent company are defined with different company codes. In order to perform intercompany code transactions in SAP, you must also define a trading partner on every transaction. A trading partner represents the company code that is an transaction with your company code. So the next field, grouping character, specifies the business partners grouping characteristic. Usage, you can use the grouping characteristics to subdivide and identify business partner within a client. Dependencies, you can edit a business partner's grouping characteristics in customizing for SAP business partner for financial service, under SAP for financial service, then general setting, then basic setting, then define grouping characteristic. You can assign authorizations to the grouping characteristics that have been defined authorization object B underscore BUPA underscore PGM. Example, all the business partners for a group company are stored in one client. You want to assign each business partner to a subsidiary. If a business partner has business relationships with several subsidiaries, it exists several times in the systems. You can create a grouping characteristics for a business partner that represents its assignment to a single subsidiary. You can use an authorization object to restrict who has access to this business partner. So the next field, data origin, determines how the business partner data comes into the system. Usage, the origin type is for information purpose only. You can define the origin type with their name in customizing. Example, legacy data transfer and purchased address list. So then the next line. So the next field, notes. So the first note in the text line, you can enter the notes based on your requirement. So if the text contains formatting informations for character formatting such as bold type or underlining, it can no longer be changed in the overview, as this would delete the formatting. Therefore, you can change the text only in the editor.